In crypto, there are two paths, the hard one and the smart one. The hard path is trying to figure everything out on your own, making costly mistakes along the way. The smart path is using a ready-made system and the experience of a community. Today, I'll show you the smart path. We won't just go over the Bybit exchange. I'll give you a clear plan on how to integrate into our ecosystem where we help you earn, not just try. Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how the Bybit platform makes all of this possible and why it's not just a choice but a necessity in today's world. Let's go. Bybit launched in 2018 and in just a few years secured its place among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. It's a true arena for futures trading. If you're using leverage, speed and liquidity are critical. Bybit can process up to 100,000 transactions per second, ensuring instant execution with no delays or slippage. Bank-level security. 99% of assets are safely stored in cold wallets, and regular proof of reserves confirm that funds are truly in place. A complete all-in-one ecosystem. Trading, passive income, Web3 wallet, copy trading, all gathered in one app without the need to juggle dozens of services. The community has already surpassed 20 million users worldwide. Now, the most important part, how to join this ecosystem and use its features to the fullest. Step 1, registration and community bonuses. To unlock exclusive opportunities, start by registering through our partner link. You'll find it in the description under the video. Enter your email or phone number, create a password, and your account is ready. But before moving forward, go to the security section and connect Google Authenticator. This is not just a recommendation, it's a requirement. Without two-factor protection, your funds remain at risk. Step 2, KYC verification. To deposit with a card and take part in all promotions, you need to verify your identity. In the account menu, select KYC verification. Prepare your passport or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and a selfie. Verification usually takes just 5 to 15 minutes. This is a standard procedure on all reliable exchanges. It ensures security and unlocks the full functionality of the platform. Step 3, funding your account. Choosing the safe option. Account created, security set up. Now it's time to add funds. There are several ways. Crypto deposit. If you already have coins, click deposit, choose the asset, for example, USDT, and the TRC20 network. Copy the wallet address and be extremely careful. A mistake with the network or address will lead to irreversible loss of funds. P2P purchase. Buying directly with a bank card. The rate is often attractive, but there are risks. Fraud and possible card blocks due to suspicious transactions. Exchange service. The most reliable way is funding through our verified exchanger in the trading chat. The rate is favorable, the process is fast, and most importantly, without unnecessary risks. This is the method we personally use to avoid unpleasant situations. You'll find the link to the service under the video. What to do with your money? Trading basics. Spot trading is like a bank deposit. You buy a coin and become its owner. You can sell at any moment. You can hold and wait for the price to rise. You can send it to earn for passive income. The key point, you can't lose more than you invested. No loans, no leverage. How it works in practice. In the top menu, select trade, spot. Find the pair you need. For example, BTC, USDT. Choose the order type, market order, buy instantly at the current price. Limit order, set your price and wait until the market reaches it. Enter the amount. Click buy or sell. Coins instantly appear in your spot balance. From there, you can withdraw, exchange, or stake them through the earn section. Futures. Active play in the market. If spot is a calm deposit, futures are the real arena for active traders. Long, betting on growth. Short, betting on decline. The most powerful tool here is leverage. It lets you trade with amounts 10, 20, or even 100 times larger than your capital. For example, with $100, you can open a $1,000 position. Golden rules for beginners. Start with an isolated margin. This way you only risk the amount in that specific trade, not your entire balance. Use leverage no higher than x3, x5. Always set a stop loss. Without stops, it's no longer trading, it's gambling. If these terms sound complicated right now, that's perfectly normal. That's exactly why we created our trading chat. There, we don't just give signals, we explain in detail. Why we open a trade, where we place the stop, how we analyze the market and make decisions. By joining, you'll start to see the logic of trading from the inside and gradually think like a professional. The link to the chat is under the video. Don't want to open trades yourself? Perfect. Bybit has solutions for passive income. Copy trading. Trust the strategies of professionals. Imagine your capital working alongside an experienced trader. They open trades, and those trades are automatically mirrored in your account. In the Tools section, select Copy Trading. You'll see a list of traders with real statistics, profitability, risk level, trade history. Click Copy, set the amount, and their trades start duplicating on your account. Important note, don't chase those showing plus 500% in a single month. It's far more reliable to choose a trader with stable profits over the long term. Those are the strategies that truly work in the long run. Bybit Earn, crypto deposit with higher returns. Remember the analogy with a bank deposit? This works the same way, only with higher interest. In the Finance Earn section, choose a coin, for example, USDT, enter the amount, and you'll receive passive income daily. Your money works on its own without your involvement. Inside, different formats are available. Easy Earn, fixed yield, minimal settings. Perfect for beginners. Advanced Earn, higher percentages and flexible parameters for those who already understand the details. On-chain Earn, yield through decentralized mechanisms. Crypto loans, borrow against your assets or lend yourself and earn interest. Connecting takes just a couple of clicks. Choose the product, coin, amount, and income starts accruing automatically. To know when and how to use these tools and avoid the mistakes that cause 90% of beginners to lose money, join our Telegram channel. There we share analytics and break down real cases, helping you learn to think like a professional. Time for conclusions. Bybit is a complete ecosystem, fast, reliable, and packed with tools for every level. For beginners, it offers a convenient start in crypto. For experienced traders, it delivers liquidity and instant execution. What you should do right now: follow the link in the description and register to activate the best conditions. Be sure to set up account security. Connect to our Telegram channel and trading chat to get analysis, support, and access to proven tools. Like this video and subscribe so you don't miss new guides and reviews. All links are under the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.